Good morning, my dear students. Our lesson today is Top Stars Part 2. Students Book page 9 and Workbook page 6. Objectives: ask short questions and answer them using the present simple. Ask about time and duration using the present simple. Let's start our lesson. How to form a question in the present simple? Does he play football every Thursday? If you notice here, the question starts with does plus the subject plus the verb in the past form, in the infinitive case. Does he play? When we answer in the affirmative, we say yes, he does. And if it's negative, we will say no, he doesn't. Doesn't stands for does not. He, she, it, take, does. Look at the second question. Do they play football after school? Do plus the subject plus the verb. Do I, do you, do we, do they, I, you, we, they, take, do. When we answer in the affirmative, we will say yes, they do. And if it's negative, we will say no, they don't. Don't stands for do not. It is a short form of do not, don't. Why do we use this tense? We use the present simple to talk about habitual actions. Actions which happen regularly and repeatedly. Let's look at the grammar box. Do you walk to school every day? Yes, I do. No, I don't. What time does the bus leave or arrive? It arrives at 8:15. How long does it take to get to school? 15 minutes. Now open your workbook page 6, activity 2. Read and circle, then look and answer. Does Kevin have a karate class on Wednesday? Excellent. Does Kevin have a karate class on Wednesday? Look at the picture. No, he doesn't. Now look at the pictures, answer the questions, stop the video and then come back to check your answers. Number 2. Do or does you take the bus to work? Excellent. Do you take the bus to work? No, I don't. Number 3. Do or does the boys take the bus to school? Perfect. Do the boys take the bus to school? No, they don't. Number 4. Do or does the bus leave at 8:15? Excellent. Does the bus leave at 8:15? Yes, it does. Now we wanted to learn how to ask about the time. Look at the picture. What time does the bus arrive at school? So when we ask about the time, we say what time? And then we use do or does plus the subject plus the verb. What time does? It arrives at 8:15. What time does school start? School starts at 8:30. As you notice here, we add s to the verb arrive and to the verb start because the subject is it. With he, she, it, we add ses or ies to the verb. And now we want to know how to tell the time. We say it's o'clock when the time is on the hour. And we say a quarter past when the time is 15 minutes after the hour. And we say a quarter to when the time is 15 minutes before the hour. And we say half past when the time is 30 minutes after the hour. Look, when I say 10:15, a quarter past 10. When it's 10:30, it's half past 10. When I say 10:45, it's a quarter to 11. Look at the clock and tell what time is it. As you notice here, the long hand for minutes is on 6 and the hand for hours is on 8. So, what is the time? Or what time is it? Perfect. It's 8:30. It's 8:30. What time is it? Look at the clock and tell me. It's a quarter to 9. It's a quarter past 9. It's a quarter to 3. Yes, as you notice here, the hand of minutes is on 3 and the hand of hours is on 9. So it's a quarter past 9. It's a quarter past 9. Open your workbook, page 6, activity 3. Look at the timetable and answer. What time does the train leave New York? Look at the timetable. Yes, it leaves New York at 6:15. Okay, now pause the video and answer the questions. Number 2. What time does the train arrive in Boston? Yes, it arrives at 9:30. Number 3. What time does the train leave Chicago? It leaves at 7:30. Now play a guessing game. Ask and answer with your friend or a partner. Do you take the bus to school? Yes, I do. What time does it leave? It leaves at 6:15. What time does it arrive? It arrives at 7:15. How long does it take to get to school? It takes 30 minutes. Is it bus number 3? Yes, it is. Now, the national identity. What time does the rail to Suquakiff leave? Perfect. It leaves at 4 p.m. What time is El Fajr prayer? It's at 4 o'clock.